Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add your profile picture to your Amazon public account. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It is quite easy. In case you don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding that issue as well. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply scroll over to Accounts and List on the very top right. It's right next to the language. I'm gonna click on it right now. Then you will be redirected to a page like this. That is your account. Well, worry not. There might be lots of options, but what you have to choose is this thing called your profiles. Simply click on it. Then you will be redirected to this page. Well, simply scroll down, and at the bottom you'll see something like see a post, reviews and other public content. Click on this button right there, and then from here you will be redirected to this page. Well, denote that in this video I simply want to change my public profile picture. So I'm gonna click on this camera-like icon right here. And as you can see, something like this opened up. Simply hit on upload. Now from here, select the image of your choice. Well, it's up to you. For now, I'm just gonna select this one and hit on open. And guys, that's it. As you can see, we have successfully updated our Amazon public profile picture. In case you want to edit it once again, simply click on the camera-like icon once again. And right now, hit on upload. In case you want to delete it, hit on delete. And guys, that's it. That's the gist of it. That's how we add a photo to your Amazon public profile. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.